Hello everyone, myself Ikra Fatima. I'm studying at the class 8. My school name is Viveka Vardhani Public School, Adan. Today I am explaining about manufacturing sector. First of all, what is manufacturing sector? This sector covers all refining, improving activities. The things undergo many certain processes before they are usable for the human needs is known as manufacturing sector. Manufacturing sector are divided. Classification of raw material based on size and based on the ownership. First of all, we will learn about based on the raw material. In based on the raw material, again they are divided at the subtopics that are agro based, mineral based, marine based and the forest based. First of all, we will learn about what is agro based. Agro based industry means the industry which work on or process on the word of agriculture is known as agro based industry. Example, sugar from sugarcane, oil from oil seeds. Next is mineral based industry. Mineral based industry means the mineral extracted from the nature have to be make it usable, and the industry which process output, it is the input for the other industry. They will make them in different size and density. Example, aluminium, copper. Next is marine based industry. Marine based industry means the industry which work on process the raw material obtained from the sea is known as marine based. Example, seafood, fish oil. We can generate electricity also from the water. Next is forest based. Forest based industry means the industry which work on the process of cutting of trees is known as forest based. Like furniture which is made from the wood is known as forest based. Next is classification based on size. In classification based on size, there are two types: small scale industry and the large scale industry. Small scale industry means in the small scale industry, everything will be less. Like if the profit is less, then the loss also will be the less, and the capital is also of small. So the small scale industry is again divided into two types: traditional small scale industry and the modern small scale industry. In traditional small scale industry, as we know that earlier the country was not developed more than there were no high qualified machines. So the people who were working in the traditional small scale industries were making the clothes from their hands, which is called handlooms, handicrafts. And one special characteristic of traditional small scale industry is that they will not provide full time of employment to the workers. They will provide one part of the time employment to the workers. Now my friend will explain about modern school.
Hi guys, my name is Vaishnavi K. I am from class 8. My school name is Viveka Vardhani Public School, Adan. So as my friend Ikhra explained about the small scale industry, that is subdivided or subclassified as traditional modern small scale industry and modern small scale industry. So as my friend told, in traditional small scale industry, all the machines or all the manufacturing is done by the hands. But whereas in the modern small scale industries, the work is done by the power looms. They are little developed one. They are not too developed like the large scale industries. In India, mostly all the small scale industries are of modern small scale industries. In India, manufacturing of the products like ceramics, hardwares and electronic devices are the common example which are produced or manufactured by the modern small scale industries. So next is large scale industries. As the name suggests, large, it is large in scale. Whatever the manufacturing, the infrastructure of the industry is on a large scale, plus the capital, loss, profit and investment, everything is more in the large scale industry. The area is also required on a large scale. Then example for this is Tisco, and textile industry is the most common example for large scale industry. Then is classification of industries based on their ownership. So ownership, who controls or who look after, or the position, who is the owner of the particular industry. So to tell this, we have private sector industry, public sector industry, joint sector industry and cooperative sector industry. Private sector industries are those industries which are looked after, which are owned by a particular person or an individual. It is also owned by the group of peoples. Only 2 to 5 members are involved in this private sector industry. The individual is owned the industry. The most common and famous example is Bajaj and Reliance. Then is public sector industry. In public sector industry, the industry is owned by the government, but for the people. Everything, loss, profit goes to government, but it belongs to whom? It belongs to government, but for the peoples, for the purpose of the people, and the example for this is Bharat Electronics Limited. Then is joint sector industry. Joint means together. So private sector industry, peoples, individuals, and public sector industry, government, both work together and form an industry in this joint sector industry. Whatever the profit loss belongs to this joint sector industry is totally depend upon private sector industry and public sector industry. Most common example for this is Maruti Udyog Limited. Then we have cooperative sector industry. In cooperative sector industry, the owner is the one who produce the industry, or the one who supplies the raw material, or the one who do work, or who is a worker in this industry. And the most common example is Anand Milk Union Limited, that is Amul. Thank you, one and all.